Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove or delete text from a comment box using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now select comment option this menu bar and go to comment box and double click on this comment box, and now text box now active, and you can select your text from your comment box, drag your mouse cursor and delete them, and press backspace on keyboard and remove. And see this, and go another point box, this one also, and similarly remove text for your point box. Yeah, this is also you can rewrite text or add new text, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.